I've got an Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, and I was in the middle of playing, so here, I was in the middle of playing, and you take a look, this one works perfectly fine, but then I'm gonna do the same thing. It's like stuck. I don't know what could have gotten under there, but this thing, pushing it down, I can't even pull it up because this thing comes off. If I put it back in, like, I mean, oh shit, well, there you go. Oh, never mind, it's better now. What the fuck? Before it was like stuck, now it's just, okay, well I'm gonna post this to YouTube. Maybe try that, maybe try twisting this because it was stuck, now it's not stuck.